Disney Skyliner and Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
That wrap off there in a second if I was over this thing.
The old 3D leg on the front transportation thing on the sides.
The what?
Look at the old Disney D on the side of it.
Oh yeah.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico. Did you know that the entire Walt Disney World Resort is over 40 square miles? That's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan. We will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort shortly. All passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
There's a storage area out there. Is that what that is? Solid.
I'd like to watch him do that.
Yeah.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
I'm ready to record a show in a bit. It's trying to shit out.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century. We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. In just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort. Passengers can disembark here for Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage! Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot. Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean. We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast. Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
Yeah, when I was a little kid, I remember going on it. And it was literally, it was just a little, like,
The chain lock.
the chain lock, yeah. If you wanted to jump off, you could have.
The reason the world's IQ is going down is because we're coddling the stupid. They used to be
It
self-limiting.
used to be Darwin's theory. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
If you were dumb enough to do it, go ahead.
Yeah, exactly. I'll watch.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner
No, it's everybody else's
at
fault that
Disney's
you're in it.
Riviera
Oh, yeah.
Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
What happened to the air? It just stopped. In one direction or something?
You gotta be going into the wind for that kind of.
Yeah, I mean, if you're moving the same way as the wind is, then it's not good.
It's the first. There we go.
Just sucking the rain.
I want to ride in a thunderstorm.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway
But you
and
gotta
the
be
city of
curious
Lake
as
Buena
to see
Vista
what
were
they do during a
established in
thunderstorm,
1969 when Walt Disney World Resort
None of
was
this
first
is
being
conducted,
developed. They are both named after
Like
Buena
a
Vista
aluminum
Street
cage.
in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters
As long as you're
are
not
still
grounded.
located today.
Yeah, it looks like the whole path is lit.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to try them at night.
Definitely.
Think they pipe in the music for fireworks or no?
Probably not.
No, there's nothing in these. No
They-
electricity.
They do have audio in them.
Oh, yeah,
Have
that's
your
right, yeah.
passports. We are on our way
If
to
you see that little
Epcot International
diagonal thing coming
Gateway.
off the
When we
thing that
arrive,
grabs onto the
remember
cable,
to
Right.
use
that's
your
a
My
pickup
Disney
in the
Experience mobile app
station.
or
Oh,
visit
it
a
goes on
Fast Pass
contact
Plus kiosk
Some kind of like
to
super
review
fast.
and
Yeah,
work
I was
the
gonna say, must
itinerary
have
for
it,
the day.
Could charge in like 10 seconds or something.
Or maybe they charge them at night. Oh, but then they all have to be in like a docking station or something.
Yeah.
I think there is a docking station at the beach, Caribbean Beach.
Oh, all right.
Those are no call.
I think that's just for storage.
Yeah, you're probably right.
It'll be interesting to see how this thing fares in all conditions.
They can keep wait times under 10 minutes. I mean, first day operations, you kind of got to give them a pass.
I think the queue in that main station is a disaster though.
That one here, yeah, that
Yeah,
was.
I don't know what. No, I mean, we only encountered people that were polite,
Yeah.
but nobody knew where they were going.
Right.
Like if you add people who are not polite into that equation, it would get ugly pretty fast.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station.
What's that?
Please
Sorry, this
remain
part's rough
seated.
coming up.
This station was designed for turning only.
So don't get out.
We'll do this without breaking. That's kind of reminiscent of the old Skyway, like every time you went through
You might
it.
want to hit that with some 80 grit.
Oh, you know what? Well, I don't know how big you are on beer, but it's scored that brewery in Boardwalk now. It's scored beers.
That's fine.
It's all good stuff now.
It's got alcohol in
They
it.
had before. The carousel of hops changes out every few months.
Oh, now we got air.
Yeah, it's a good direction.
Probably exactly what it was.
We were going with the wind.
You would think it's so flat on the front that it would force enough air through
I
anyway.
think that's the only saving grace
Coming
of this
into
thing.
view
It's basically
is
like a sheet
Disney's
of drywall
Boardwalk
flying
Inn
through the air.
and
Right.
Disney's
Definitely
Boardwalk
catches on
Villas.
there.
From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
I know we say this all the time, but just from a inside standpoint, I wish they didn't have any of the character wraps on here.
We
Yeah.
totally agree. We
You're
talked
right.
about that earlier.
I get it. It actually looks cool looking at the other ones kind of flying through the air, but
It ruins the view
Yeah.
from the one you're in though.
Oh, ours doesn't have anything on it.
no. So like you can see right here, that's what like the
Oh,
wrap
okay,
looks
yeah,
like
yeah.
all the way up.
Yeah.
Perforated
Honestly,
vinyl.
the first one we got, it didn't have characters, but I had that wrap going all up the window.
Yeah. If you're sitting back from it, it's right. But like if you're
If
sitting
you
here
are
looking out,
planning to visit World Showcase today,
Give you a headache.
now might be a good time to practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to Epcot a truly international exchange.
I'm more excited they're going to be extending that pavilion more. Like,
Yeah.
France is one of my favorite ones.
it's a big show building.
Yeah. It's basically like half
It
of
looks like all these will be stores out here, right?
Yeah,
That's
one
not
of
gonna
them's
be
one of them's a restaurant. I know that.
another restaurant.
Like creperie, but yeah, it's probably anytime you build a new restaurant, it's gonna land in a gift shop.
Yeah,
So.
exactly.
We are now arriving at Epcot.
Better not increase
To
the
all
lines to
who
the ice
come
cream
to
place
this
back
place
there.
of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome.
So you guys got pressure concrete for that's
This is bigger than I was envisioning.
so it's taken up like half of a pavilion footprint.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gonna be like
Because there's like a full,
until the doors
there's a full
automatically
expansion
open.
pad between Morocco
When
and
exiting
France.
the
and
cabin,
it's taking
please
up like the back
supervise
of one of
children,
those.
collect your belongings,
Probably
and
the
watch
largest
your
country
step.
when it's done, right?
Thank you for flying with
Yeah,
us.
that's it.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
That's
Al
pretty cool.
salir de la cabina.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might need a with you. My elbows. What I heard it was going to be like.